ASUS router bridge mode not working. VLAN adjustment guide. To begin, you'll need to access your ASUS router's web interface. Open a web browser and type in your router's IP address. Enter your username and password when prompted to log in. Once logged in, locate the LAN settings in the left-hand navigation pane. Click on it to expand the options and then select the IPTV tab. The section often contains crucial settings for how your router handles network traffic, especially for specific services like IPTV that might utilize VLANs. In the IPTV settings, you'll often find a setting called WAN bridge. To ensure your router operates correctly in bridge mode, particularly if your ISP uses VLANs, you'll need to set WAN bridge to enable. This allows the router to pass through traffic without modification, essential for certain network configurations. Click Apply after making the change. Next, within the same IPTV section, look for an ISP profile dropdown. Select the profile that matches your internet service provider. If your ISP requires a specific VLAN ID for internet access, you'll need to enter it in the VLAN ID field. This information is usually provided by your ISP. If you're unsure, check your ISP's documentation or contact their support. Remember to click Apply to save. Finally, still in the IPTV settings, you might find a priority port option. If your setup requires a specific LAN port to be prioritized for bridge mode or a particular service, select the appropriate port from the dropdown. This is less common but be necessary in some complex network configurations. After making any adjustments, ensure you click Apply one last time to save all your changes. Your router may reboot after this to apply the new settings.